I've been involved in the control automation line for maybe about 18 years now in my whole career. So it's always been my passion to be involved in something that works on the design and be able to complete that design and release that product and get that satisfaction that what I want or what I put my effort in really delivers in the end. Being in the Logix environment, I think that poses a lot of challenges. There might be, but it also provides a lot of satisfaction that the interactions that I get with the various teams, the development team, the commercial marketing team, even our sales and our customers, does help to provide that both in the learning aspect for me to develop myself, as well as helping me to shape what the right product is to deliver to the market. When people ask me about what I do, I tell them we create controllers, and it's in everywhere that you see, you touch packaging for milk or for drinks, or even a pack of chips that you buy from a store. It's everywhere. So that's a cool relationship that I always use to let all my friends and family members know what I'm doing. My name is Dexter Leong. I'm a global product manager for compact card Logix.